everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a festive makeup look. As we are heading into the festival holiday season, we will have a look at this festive makeup look which we can use it during this festival season. So let's get started. Okay, so I have already cleansed my face and we're going to start with the prepping and priming. So for moisturizer, I'm using this Dot & Key moisturizer. So this is a really good moisturizer for oily skin people. So I'm applying it all over my face. And I'm going to massage it well. This is a gel-based moisturizer and it is really good for oily skin people, as I said. Next, I'll use the Nivea lip balm. For primer, I'll be using the Nykaa Prep Me Up. This is a really good primer and it is, again, this is gel based and it is good for oily skin people. Now I'm spreading this across my face. So primer is an important step in order to have your makeup to last for a longer time. So this primer helps you to close all your pores and it'll give a very good base for your makeup. Next, we'll get on to the color correcting. So today I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Orange Corrector. You need to apply it wherever you have hyperpigmentations and for your dark circles. I'll be using this wet makeup sponge to blend in the product. LA Girl Pro has a really good range of shades for concealers, color correctors, and it really blends in very well. Next, for foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal foundation and this is of shade Golden Sun. I'm going to be using the foundation brush to apply this foundation. Then I'll use this makeup sponge to blend in the product. Okay, now we'll get on to the concealer. So I'll be using again the LA Girl Pro Concealer and this is of shade Almond. I usually choose a little bit darker shade of concealer to get a natural finish. I'm using this concealer brush to blend in the product. So you can see how well the under eyes, the dark circles have been covered. Again, I'll take this makeup sponge to blend in all the products. For contouring, I'll be using the Nykaa's palette. This is a really good palette. You can use it for concealing. It's got an orange corrector and you can use it as a foundation as well. So I'm going to use this for contouring today. You need to apply it below your cheekbone. Again, I'm going to blend it with the makeup sponge. So I'm gonna apply the LA Girl Pro beige color concealer for my eyelids. So this is to create a proper base for my eye makeup. So this is a lighter shade, so it will really be helpful to show your eyeshadow colors better. Now I'm going to use this sugar powder to go ahead and set the concealer and contour wherever I have applied. And I'll use this powder brush to dust off the excess powder. Now let's get on to the eye makeup. So today I'll be using the K Beauty's eyeshadow palette. So this is of shade Pure Bloom. So these are the different shades which you can find. So I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and I'll start with the shade Biscuit. I'll create the crease with this shade. So I'm applying two coats of this. So blending is really important in the eye makeup. The more you blend, the better look you will get. Now I'll use the shade Spice. This one as well, I will be applying it on my crease. And I'll blend it along with the other shade. So these shades are really pigmented and I really love the K Beauty eyeshadow palettes. These are truly pigmented and it gives you a lovely finish. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'll be using this shade Brick. So this I will be applying in my outer corner of the lids. First I'm just applying it without blending. Now I will blend all the three colors together. Just to avoid the harsh lines. So now I'll take this shade Crimson and I'll apply it in the inner corner. Now again, I'm just blending it to avoid the harsh lines. Now I'll use this shade Salmon, the lightest color, in the inner corner. For eyeliner, I'll be using the Just Herbs eyeliner. For mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal. Before that, I will curl my eyelashes. For kajal, I'll be using the K Beauty's. Now I'll be using this Spice shade. Next, for blush and highlighter, I'll be using this Faces Canada palette. This is for contouring. Now we'll go for the blush. This is a really subtle shade. So now the highlighter. For lip liner, I'll be using the mask Edge of Desire. And I'll be using the Maybelline lipstick. This is of shade Lippy. This is really a lovely shade. You can use it for everyday use as well. For a final touch, I'm using this Mama Earth Compact. So I'm using a powder brush. I'm going to be using this Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. And I'll use this makeup sponge. So this is the completed makeup. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.